Hi, I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great. Today I am making porcupine meatballs. It sounds like it'll be easy. I remember my mom making something like this when I was a kid, and I came across this recipe, so I thought I would give it a try. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. For our meatballs, we'll need 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, 2/3 a cup of uncooked long grain rice, a 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion. I just use my little mini processor. He called for either 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt or 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. I couldn't make up my mind, so I used a 1/2 teaspoon of each. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. For the sauce, you'll need a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, or you can use 2 8-ounce cans, 1 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First of all, you want to mix your tomato sauce, your water, and your Worcestershire sauce. Give it a good whisk and set it aside. Now for your meatballs, just mix the rest of your ingredients together and form them into little meatballs and put them in a 9x13 dish. Do not grease your dish. Now pour your sauce over your meatballs and wrap tightly with foil and cook it in your preheated oven for 55 minutes. After the 55 minutes, take the foil off of your pan and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes longer until bubbly and cooked through. Okay, let's give this little meatball a try. It's not bad. Got a very tomatoey taste. The rice is done. I could use a little bit more salt, but I really like it. It's going to go good with those mashed potatoes and peas and cornbread I've got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.